Your broccoli.
Go for it. Which one?
Do you like your broccoli, Carlotta?
Yeah.
Is it good? How good from a scale of 1 to 10? 10?
50 million.
10.
No, I'm okay.
Come si dice in italiano?
Broccoli.
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 Broccoli. E zucchini?
Zucchine.
Zucchini. See, Mom, you'd survive in Italy.
Well,
you know, one place I'd like to go is Venice. What? Oh, Florence, okay. There are lots of places I'd still like to go that I haven't been to.
You better get a boyfriend. Wow. Finito.